Here we have the Savvy Saver tip of the day: buy groceries in bulk. Buying groceries in bulk has financial advantages. Here are the main ones. Let's see. 1. Cost savings. Purchasing groceries in bulk often leads to significant cost savings. Buying larger quantities typically comes at a lower per unit price, reducing the overall cost per item. This allows you to stretch your food budget further and save money in the long run. Additionally, buying in bulk reduces the frequency of shopping trips, saving you time and transportation expenses. 2. Reduced unit costs. Buying in bulk helps reduce the unit costs of frequently used items. By purchasing larger quantities, you can stock up on staple goods such as rice, pasta, canned goods and toiletries at lower prices. This can result in substantial savings over time, especially for items that have a long shelf life. 3. Convenience and minimized waste. Buying in bulk offers convenience by ensuring you have a sufficient supply of essential items on hand. It reduces the likelihood of running out of necessary items and needing to make last-minute trips to the store, potentially at higher prices. Moreover, buying in bulk often means less packaging and reduced food waste since you can portion and store items according to your needs, minimizing unnecessary expenses. In summary, buying groceries in bulk provides cost savings, reduces unit costs, and offers convenience while minimizing waste. By taking advantage of bulk purchasing opportunities, you can maximize your food budget, save money, and have a well-stocked pantry that meets your needs in an economical manner. Don't forget to subscribe for more savvy saving tips.